black tea pork is pork tenderloin cooked in black tea and then marinated in Japanese seasonings. Black tea tenderizes the meat, eliminates its odor and greasiness. It also adds the nice tea flavor to the pork. This healthy and delicious pork is so easy to make. In a medium pot, bring the water to a boil and drop the tea bags. Simmer for 3 minutes and remove the tea bags. Then, take half cup of the tea from the pot and set aside. Add the pork tenderloin to the pot and bring back to the boil. Remove the scum and cover and cook for 30 to 40 minutes at low heat. Meanwhile, we are going to make the marinade. In a small pot, add half cup of the tea saved earlier, soy sauce, mirin, sake, and rice vinegar. And bring to a boil and turn off the heat. Next, we are going to marinate the pork. Remove the pork from the tea and place it in a food storage bag. Add the marinade and transfer to the refrigerator and marinate the pork for at least 4 hours or overnight. When you are ready to eat, slice into 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. Black tea pork is a great standalone entree and also a wonderful appetizer. It can be used as a topping for ramen, rice bowl dishes, or salad. You can also make a sandwich. It's so versatile, easy, and tasty.
美味しい。美味しいね。